Yes, 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 that is correct. Sometimes when you're studying, when you're practicing your English, your business skills, skills, right? Your business skills, recording, doing things for other people sometimes just doesn't work out. We recorded an excellent video a few minutes ago and there was no audio, right? Couldn't hear it. The platforms didn't pick it up. Nobody picked it up and it went live and it sounded like, right? You couldn't hear anything. So Jack and I encourage you that when things don't go right, just get right back on the horse, HORSE, and give it another go. If you listen very carefully, you'll hear in the background probably some Japanese because we are in Tokyo. We'll be in mainland China in about 3 weeks. Happy New Year, Shinikwala, if you're over there in China. Quick Business English is going to give you the invitation to visit Jack, Chen, Nicholas Carter, letting you know now because it's going to be happening towards the end of the year, October the 1st, and that is going to be in Shenzhen. So make sure if you're in China, if you're in Guangdong, Guangzhou, Hong Kong, and of course if you're in Shenzhen or anywhere near there, be sure to check us out. Jack is going to be introducing the new book. It is out. Jack contributed some very important information, and the book will be available for those of you who join us online. We're going to be doing the one-on-one and group training as your business English mentors. That is correct. Your business English mentors is your go-to place with Click Business English, and Jack Chen, Nicholas Carter welcomes you. The YouTube channels are going to be here for you with all the information for free. And for those that have the time, Beijing time, China time, 8 p.m. to 10 p.m. A good time for you to join us and learn fast, easy, fun, and we'll see you then. Nicholas Carter, Jack Chen, Click Business English, your place, your space to learn everything you'll ever want to know and use for your professional business life. See you again.